Are you ready to make crispy, tasty, and healthier meals without the guilt of deep-fried food or the hassle of oil? Welcome to our buyer's guide for the top 5 best air fryers for every budget. We know that finding the perfect air fryer can be overwhelming, especially with so many options available on the market today. That's why we've narrowed down the list to only include the best of the best. In this ultimate guide, we'll be counting down the top 5 air fryers that hit the sweet spot for every wallet. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a spacious machine that can feed the whole family, or a high-tech fryer with all the bells and whistles, we've got you covered. As always, we've ensured that all the products that are mentioned in this video are conveniently listed in the description and in the pinned comment down below. This way, you can easily access them and refer back to them later. Looking for a budget-friendly air fryer that doesn't compromise on performance? Look no further than the Instant Vortex 2 Quarts Mini Air Fryer. This compact kitchen appliance packs a punch with its versatile functionality. With a capacity of 2 quarts, it's perfect for smaller kitchens or households. Don't let its size fool you. This air fryer can crisp, reheat, bake, roast, and more, making it an invaluable tool for quick and easy meals. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex 2 Quarts Mini Air Fryer is its pre-programmed cooking functions, which include over 100 in-app recipes. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or perfectly baked cookies, this air fryer has you covered. The intuitive controls make it easy to select the right cooking mode, ensuring consistent and delicious results every time. Another highlight is its dishwasher-safe design, which makes cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to scrubbing greasy pans and trays. Simply pop the removable parts in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, the Instant Vortex 2 Quarts Mini Air Fryer doesn't skimp on quality. From its sturdy construction to its reliable performance, it's clear that this appliance is built to last. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a budget air fryer that delivers exceptional results without breaking the bank, the Instant Vortex 2 Quarts Mini Air Fryer is a top contender. With its compact size, versatile functionality, and user-friendly design, it's truly one of the best budget air fryers available today. If you're in the market for the best mid-range dual basket air fryer with a generous 8-quart capacity, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi is a standout choice. Boasting 6-in-1 functionality, this appliance allows for roasting, broiling, dehydrating, and more, all with the convenience of 2 independent frying baskets. With its spacious 8-quart capacity, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi offers ample room to prepare meals for the whole family or entertain guests. The DualZone technology ensures precise cooking temperatures in each basket, allowing for simultaneous cooking of different foods without flavor transfer. Equipped with Match Cook and Smart Finish features, this air fryer simplifies meal preparation by automatically adjusting cooking times and temperatures for optimal results. Whether you're crisping up chicken wings, roasting vegetables, or dehydrating fruits, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi delivers consistent, delicious outcomes every time. One of the most appealing aspects of this air fryer is its affordability. Despite its advanced features and large capacity, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi is competitively priced, making it accessible to a wide range of consumers. Whether you're a busy parent looking to streamline meal prep or a cooking enthusiast seeking versatility in the kitchen, this budget-friendly appliance offers excellent value for money. In conclusion, the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone air fryer stands out as one of the best mid-range options on the market today. Its combination of generous capacity, versatile functionality, and affordability make it a top choice for anyone in search of a reliable and efficient cooking companion. Looking for the ultimate kitchen multitasker? The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro in brushed stainless steel might just be your culinary dream come true. With its impressive specifications and versatile functionality, it stands out as one of the best large-capacity air fryer ovens on the market. Sporting a spacious interior, this smart oven can accommodate up to a 14-pound turkey or 9 slices of toast, making it perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining guests. Equipped with super convection technology, it ensures fast and even cooking results, while the Element IQ system intelligently adjusts the heating elements for precise and consistent cooking every time. But it doesn't stop there. This powerhouse appliance boasts 13 pre-programmed settings, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, giving you the flexibility to whip up a wide range of dishes with ease. Plus, with its intuitive LCD display and easy-to-use dials, controlling the oven is a breeze, even for beginners. In addition to its cooking prowess, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is designed with convenience in mind. Its nonstick interior coating makes cleaning up a cinch, while the included accessories such as a baking pan, broiling rack, and air fry basket expand your culinary possibilities even further. If you're in the market for the best versatile large-capacity air fryer oven that offers exceptional performance and value for money, look no further than the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. With its top-notch features and impressive functionality, it's sure to revolutionize the way you cook. Now let's meet the Panasonic's HomeCHEF 4-in-1 microwave oven with air fryer. It is a powerhouse of versatility and convenience for culinary enthusiasts seeking the best all-in-one multi-oven solution. Boasting a spacious 1.2 cubic feet capacity and 1,000 watts of power, this smart oven combines the functionalities of a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, and broiler into a sleek stainless steel design. Equipped with innovative inverter technology, this oven ensures precise and consistent cooking results, whether you're reheating leftovers, baking, roasting, or air frying. The inverter technology also enables faster cooking times, preserving the texture and flavor of your dishes. Additionally, its air fryer functionality provides a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods, producing crispy, golden results with little to no oil. The convenience of this multi-oven is further enhanced by its array of features, including pre-programmed cooking modes, intuitive controls, and a built-in timer. Whether you're cooking a quick weeknight meal or experimenting with gourmet recipes, this oven simplifies the cooking process while delivering exceptional results. Not only does the Panasonic HomeCHEF 4-in-1 microwave oven with air fryer excel in performance, but it also offers tremendous value for money. With its versatility and advanced features, it stands out as one of the most versatile smart oven air fryers on the market. For individuals seeking the ultimate all-in-one cooking solution without compromising on quality or convenience, this multi-oven is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Looking for the ultimate best overall air fryer toaster oven? Look no further than the Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro in stainless steel. This powerhouse appliance combines versatility, efficiency, and smart technology to revolutionize your cooking experience. It offers ample cooking space while fitting seamlessly into your kitchen. Equipped with a plethora of features, the Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro stands out from the crowd. Its super convection technology ensures fast and even cooking, while the Element IQ system adjusts the power of its 6 independent quartz heating elements for precise cooking temperatures. With a spacious interior that accommodates a 9-slice toast capacity or a 14-pound turkey, this appliance is perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. One of its standout features is the versatility it offers. With 13 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, toast, and more, this oven can handle virtually any culinary task with ease. The LCD display and intuitive dial controls make operation a breeze, while the integrated oven light allows you to monitor your food's progress without opening the door. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this appliance not only looks sleek but is built to last. Additionally, cleaning up is hassle-free thanks to its non-stick interior coating and removable crumb tray. In conclusion, the Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances. Its unmatched performance, versatility, and durability make it one of the best air fryers on the market, catering to both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs alike. If you're looking to elevate your cooking experience, this is the ultimate choice for you. Deciding on which air fryer to invest in depends on a variety of factors, including your budget, your culinary needs, and the size of your kitchen. But one thing is for sure, with an air fryer on your countertop, you're one step closer to healthier eating without sacrificing flavor. Before you make your purchase, remember to consider the capacity, available features, and the cooking methods you'd like to use. We have also provided links to each product in the description below for you to check out in more detail. Whether you're feeding a large family or looking for a space-saving option, there's an air fryer out there that's perfect for you. Happy frying! Thank you for checking out our review. Find out more about these excellent products with the link provided in the description down below. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.